So this is my Facebook page. So what is the rule for adding multiple users on your Facebook page? What is the purpose of? How to access multiple users on your Facebook page? What is the new rule? In a previous, if your friends list on your Facebook 100 members, if you give access to the page on particular person, no need for approval. Why? Is in my friend list. But new rule is called if is friend list or not. When give access to your page, the need for approval your friend list. Suppose here I'm setting for in this insert my name is in my friend list. Yes or no? Now just copy the name, go to page. What option call is settings. Option call is page role. Search your name. Is already in my friend list. Yes or no? So just setting for admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst. I'm selecting for analyst. Click for add. Is asking your Facebook password. Click for submit. Here. What's showing here? Pending. But is in my friend list. Friend and there are following. But when adding any admins, what is showing for pending? When is approved is a member of our page. Is it clear? This is a new rule is generated by the Facebook. Why? Because it's not adding for instantly n number of users. When user is approved, is a member of the page owner. So this is a rule for Facebook page role authority for multiple users.